You just stepped into a restaurant where robots whip up your meals, serve them with precision, clean up effortlessly, and even put on a show. That sounds fascinating, right? I'm talking about the thrilling world of robotic dining. This is where cutting-edge technology meets culinary innovation, creating an experience that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie. From stylish automated cafes to fully robotic kitchens, these marvels are redefining how we enjoy food. As robots take center stage in preparing and serving dishes, they're reshaping the dining world with efficiency, creativity, and a touch of futuristic charm. 1. Hajime Robot Restaurant, Bangkok, Thailand. Bangkok is full of surprises, but the Hajime Robot Restaurant might top them all. Settled away from the usual tourist spots, this unique eatery combines cutting-edge technology with delicious food. The star of the show? Samurai robots that serve your meal. Once you place your order, these charming robots act, delivering dishes to your table. But they're not just servers. They'll also whisk away dirty plates and even put on a little dance for entertainment. Kids love their playful charm, and adults can't help but smile at their antics. Whether you're craving Thai, Japanese, or European cuisine, there's plenty to choose from. You can also take a hands-on approach and cook your meal if that's more your style. And here's the kicker, it's super affordable. Most meals cost under $20, making this an accessible adventure for anyone visiting Bangkok. Whether you're a robotics enthusiast or just someone who enjoys a unique dining experience, this is one spot you don't want to miss. 2. Ratio Cafe and Lounge, Singapore. Singapore takes robotic dining to the next level with the Ratio Cafe and Lounge, the world's first fully robotized cafe. Located in Centrepoint Mall, this futuristic spot turns ordering a drink into an experience. With robotic arms expertly crafting your beverages, each drink is a masterpiece of precision and flavor. The menu offers over 50 options, including coffee, tea, and cocktails, all made to perfection. You can place your order via an interactive screen or a handy mobile app, making the process quick and easy. Once your drink is ready, the robotic arm serves it with flair, ensuring a touch of drama in every sip. But it's not just about the drinks. The cafe also serves snacks, salads, and desserts, making it a great hangout spot any time of the day. During the day, it's a cozy cafe, but by night, it transforms into a sleek lounge with a modern vibe. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or love a good cocktail, Ratio Cafe is a must-visit for anyone in Singapore. 3. Moli Robotics, the personal chef robot. Imagine having a professional chef in your kitchen 24/7. That's exactly what Moli Robotics offers. This British invention is a game changer for home cooking, blending advanced robotics with culinary expertise. Beyond this, the Moli robot features 2 robotic arms designed to mimic the precise movements of a chef. Trained by renowned professionals like Tim Anderson, it can whip up gourmet meals with stunning accuracy. This robot does everything from grabbing ingredients in a smart fridge to chopping, mixing, and cooking. And yes, it cleans up after itself too. Preloaded with hundreds of recipes and updated regularly, Moli makes cooking an effortless and enjoyable experience. Whether you're ready for a quick snack or a Michelin star-worthy dish, this robot covers you. Of course, this futuristic marvel doesn't come cheap, but for those who can afford it, Moli is more than just a gadget. It's a revolution in home cooking. 4. Hyperfood Robotics, fully automated fast food. Fast food just got a high-tech makeover thanks to Hyperfood Robotics. This innovative startup has created a fully automated restaurant, offering fast, delicious meals without a single human worker. The setup is like something out of a sci-fi movie. The restaurant operates out of a container with robotic arms, over 100 sensors, and AI-powered cameras. Together, these technologies can produce up to 50 pizzas an hour, along with burgers, salads, and other fast food favorites. Hygiene is a top priority too. The robots clean themselves every 40 minutes using ozonated water, ensuring everything stays spotless. It's fast, efficient, and incredibly futuristic, a glimpse of what the future of dining might look like. Whether you're grabbing a quick bite or marveling at the technology behind it, Hyperfood Robotics is redefining what we think of as fast food. It's fast, clean, and just plain cool. 5. Cafe X, the autonomous coffee bar. Imagine grabbing a coffee from a robotic barista who never gets your order wrong. That's exactly what Cafe X offers. With a sleek, compact design that takes up just 40 square feet, these coffee bars can fit into offices, airports, or malls. Customers order their drinks through a kiosk or app, and the magic begins. The robotic arm crafts your coffee precisely, ensuring every latte art swirl and espresso shot is spot on. In under a minute, your drink is ready, consistently perfect every single time. While some might worry about robots taking jobs, Cafe X assures that it's about humans working alongside technology. There's always a friendly specialist on site to oversee operations and assist customers. This balance between automation and human touch ensures a smooth experience, making Cafe X a standout in San Francisco's tech-savvy dining scene. This is a must-try if you're a coffee lover who values speed and quality. 6. PZI Robotics, the robotic pizzeria. Pizza lovers are witnessing the future of fast food at PZI Robotics in France. That's the magic of this place. A French startup behind the world's first fully autonomous pizza-making robot. From mixing the dough to baking and serving, these robots handle it all, combining high-tech efficiency with incredible taste. The amazing thing is that this futuristic pizzeria can produce 100 pizzas an hour, thanks to its state-of-the-art software, MIC. MIC doesn't just oversee the cooking process. It also manages inventory, quality control, and scheduling, ensuring everything runs like clockwork. PZI Robotics collaborated with TR Graffinino, a 3-time world pizza champion, to guarantee delicious results. So every pizza served here is a masterpiece in flavor and technique. Not only this, visiting the restaurant is an experience in itself. After placing an order on a touchscreen, similar to what you'd find at any fast food joint, the magic begins behind glass walls. 3 robotic arms spring into action. One arm grabs a fresh ball of dough and presses it to perfection. Another smoothly spreads tomato sauce in neat, precise strokes, making it look almost like a dance. It's mesmerizing to watch as each step unfolds with robotic precision. PZI Robotics isn't just about fast food. It's a glimpse into the future of dining. While the experience feels revolutionary, it's still rooted in creating quality meals. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or hungry for great pizza, this robotic pizzeria is a must-visit. 7. Good Bites, the robotic kitchen assistant. For those who dream of effortless cooking, Good Bites is a game-changer. This German startup has developed a robotic kitchen assistant for everyday culinary tasks. This robot handles everything from chopping veggies to seasoning dishes and even cleaning up. It's like having a personal chef who never complains about the workload. Moreover, Good Bites can prepare up to 3,000 meals daily, making it a valuable addition to ghost kitchens and food delivery services. Its precision ensures every dish is cooked perfectly, while its scalability allows businesses to customize menus and create personalized cookbooks. Whether baking, frying, or stir-frying, this robotic marvel consistently ranks high in customer satisfaction, proving that robots can cook with heart, or at least with impeccable accuracy. 8. Changi Robot Catering Group, a fully automated restaurant. In China, dining is reaching new heights of innovation with the Changi Robot Catering Group. This fully automated restaurant uses over 40 robots to cook and serve meals. From traditional Chinese dishes to fast food favorites, these robots handle everything, ensuring hygiene and efficiency. Guests place their orders through touchscreens, and the robots spring into action, preparing up to 120 dishes per hour. Further, the setup is mesmerizing. Robotic arms chop, stir, and plate meals, while others deliver the food directly to your table. With the capacity to serve 600 guests simultaneously, Changi's restaurant is a marvel of modern engineering. The system also minimizes contamination risks by reducing human contact, making it a safe and innovative dining choice. It's not just a meal, it's a futuristic experience. 9. Flippy 2, the robotic fast food chef. In the US, fast food kitchens are getting a high-tech upgrade with Flippy 2, an AI-powered robotic chef designed by Miso Robotics. Flipping burgers, frying food, packaging fries, and even pouring drinks, Flippy 2 makes waves with precision and efficiency. Customers place their orders on a screen and watch as Flippy 2 handles everything behind the scenes. Initially supervised by employees, this innovative robot is learning to work independently. It's even designed to improve over time, adapting to its environment to become faster and more accurate. White Castle, a well-known fast food chain, is testing Flippy 2 in its kitchens. They've partnered with Miso Robotics for about a year, but the push toward automation sped up during the pandemic. According to White Castle's vice president, Jamie Richardson, customers now prefer less human contact in food preparation. Flippy fits perfectly into this kitchen of tomorrow, helping meet the rising demand for fast, hygienic, and quality food service. However, Flippy isn't here to take away jobs. Instead, it's seen as a tool to help staff focus on tasks like ensuring order accuracy and improving delivery efficiency. As delivery orders continue to boom, Flippy can handle repetitive kitchen tasks, allowing employees to manage other responsibilities. From stadiums to fast food chains, Flippy 2 is proving that automation and human expertise can work together to create a faster, smarter, and cleaner dining experience. What do you think? Could robotic chefs be the future of the kitchen? Or is there something special about the human touch that no robot can replicate? Would you trust a robot to cook your next meal? Or would you prefer to stick with your favorite chef? Let us know in the comments.